Hi everyone, Morgan from the Assist Agency, just jumping on with part 2 of our project management use case video. In the first video, you'll recall we talked about high level and low level boards. High level being this view here, which is the macro overview level of all of our current projects that we have. And this just shows the project status at a glance. And as you recall, it is linked to our individual project boards, which are these ones here, which then drill down into the micro level detail, which is the daily activities and then all of the different phases of the project. Of course, as these boards are linked, anything that's updated here is then going to pull through and continue to update the status of that project as it goes along. Now in this video, I just wanted to show just how easy it is to then create dashboard views to further assist in the management of these projects. It helps all of the managers or project leads just track exactly the trends and the results of all of these projects, but in a really visually appealing way and something that's so easy to pull together. So we're just going to create a new view here. And we're going to do a blank view. So I'm just going to call this our reporting dashboard. And this is just pulling the information from the portfolio management board only. Now, these views are created by widgets. So basically you're pulling in a widget into the board and then customizing the data as you need. Here we've got some of the standard or more popular widgets, but if you click into more widgets, you'll see there's an entire marketplace of widgets that you can use and customize your view with. I'm just going to pop in a text widget. Pop that in and let's call this our reporting dashboard for Q4 projects. I'm just going to make this nicer to read. Perfect. So this just acts as a little header. Now let's just start popping in some data. So we'll do a chart view. This is just automatically pulled in some data, but if I'm not happy with how this looks or exactly what I want listed here, just go into your settings. I'm going to change this into a pie chart. And in here with your labels, this is where you pull through the data that you want to see. So we can change this to allocated budget. We could change this to whichever project manager is responsible for the project. In that case, that's me. I'm going to just keep this as project type. And we can rename this here very easily. Now another really cool function here, all of the sizing is just drag and drop. You can move it up and down. I'm going to pop that in. But what we can do here is you can actually drill down into this data without leaving this view at all. So I'm going to click in. If I want to see a bit more information on the projects that is a development, I just need to click into it. It'll bring up exactly what's on my board, everything that's under project type development. So you can see here all of the information is there at a glance. I can edit or change this from this view. I can even, if I see something while I'm looking into my dashboard that doesn't look quite right, I can alert my team members. So clicking into this project here, I'm going to start a conversation and write an update. This is very similar to social media in that we can @ people, we can insert emojis, we can even insert GIFs or files. I can @ my team member and say, does this need to be a development project? Maybe I want to change it into something else. We can question it, send the update, see when they've seen it. We can respond in this thread all from this view. Again, without even having to leave our dashboard view. So we can just pop in a few more widgets just to test out the functionality. So if we want to keep track of the numbers, let's pop in the numbers widget. This here, again, it just automatically calibrates with the closest numbers column, and we can change this then. So you can see here it's pulled through the allocated budget. That's actually something that I'd like to track. We'll pop a dollar symbol in front of it. Let's call this total projects allocated budget. And I also want to track the total cost so far. Same type of system, we'll just change the settings. And we're going to change this to costs. Perfect. So now we've got that in there. The possibilities are literally endless with building out these dashboards, and it's also customizable to what you want. You can even add in something that's not just all data related for a bit of culture as well, which is really cool. So you can even add in a quote of the day. Keep things interesting up here. You can add in some more kind of team collaboration, where you can put all of the board updates in. You can see where you were mentioned. If you want to add a to-do list, we can pop that in here and just create a new task. So this is really cool. I really love the functionality of the reporting dashboards. You can customize it exactly how you like, and of course when all of the data in this table is updated, it's going to reflect here as well. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.